Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet automation actions with alerts step by step clearly. To begin updating your Smartsheet automation actions with alerts, first, log into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the specific sheet where you want to set up or modify automation. Locate the automation menu at the top of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Automation. In the Automation Center, you'll see a list of existing workflows. Choose the automation you wish to update by clicking on its name. Once selected, review the current conditions and actions outlined in the automation. To edit the actions, click on the Edit button next to the action you want to modify. In the editing options, look for Alerts. Decide whether you want to add a new alert or modify an existing one. If adding a new alert, click on Add Action and select Alert Someone from the options. Next, choose the recipients for the alert by entering their email addresses or selecting from your contacts. You can customize the alert message to include specific details about the trigger. If modifying an existing alert, you can directly update the message or recipients in the alert settings. Once your changes are made, click on Save to apply the updates to the automation. Review the entire automation flow to ensure all elements work together as intended. After reviewing, click Done to finalize your updates. Your automation actions with alerts are now updated successfully. Test the automation to confirm that the alerts are triggered as expected. This will ensure that your team receives timely notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.